DL51806S. Okay. Now I just got this and I pulled the hub out and it comes pre-packed, but I went ahead and took some Shell Rotella multi-purpose lithium and just like packed as much more in there as I could. It comes with a white grease, but you can see I put that one on top. It's probably fine, but I just want to make sure. You want to make sure it's packed as. And then I'm gonna put this in the freezer, and I'm also gonna put the hub in the freezer because I want that to be cool. Now I've got this knuckle actually in my car outside it's really hot, so. All right, on OEM 57205 front wheel drive bearing remover installer set from AutoZone rental, $254, $70, whatever. All right, I did the bolt, a washer, M facing in this way. That out, this in, it fits right in there. Okay. Then on the flip side, I had it like this. I put the bearing in. It went about a third of the way in by itself. I had it in the freezer and I had the knuckle outside. It's like 80 degrees outside in the car too. So, and then I put L on top of the knuckle, washer, and then the nut, which the nut is not threaded on one side. That's the side I put down. This is the thread side, I put it up. And then I had a 32 millimeter that I got because I had to take the axle nut off. I had the 32 millimeter on this, and then I had this wrench on here. And the wrench is set at 26. $27 millimeters, so that's a 27 millimeter. And it went on really smoothly. Boink. And then you put a little retaining clip in there. I just had some needle nose pliers and I squeezed it tight and went right in there. It's simple. Next you put there's two of these. There's this one. The difference is that this one has a little lip on it that goes on the back side. This goes on the front. It's flush. Just gonna tap it in very slightly. Something flat and get it in there flush. From the same kit, I'm using the in sized gauge, and it fits on there. It's a little bit smaller, which is good. I can see it. And then I'm just taking my rubber hammer and just going around and slowly tapping it in. All right, so I got it installed. First thing I did was knock this piece of plastic out, and when you do that, it separates the two gliders. I'm gonna find the word for that. And then once that's there, be careful not to let them fall out. And then you're gonna put OEM I, and it fits right in there, just like that. And you can go that way first, but at the end I turned it around this way. So either one, whatever. So I go in there, screw down in there, bolts down through there. And then on this side, got the bolt coming through, and then I put J on here, and that washer, and I pressed the hub onto through the center, and I just went until it stopped. And I don't know if it should be going anymore. It doesn't look like it can go anymore, and it looks like the old one. That's it. Now I put it back on.